Introducing the new Kidde Water Leak and Freeze Detector with smart features. This Wi-Fi-enabled device uses Kidde HomeSafe to connect with the Kidde app and send real-time notifications to your phone, making it easier than ever to stay a step ahead of water damage. And it all starts with simple setup. Here, we'll walk you through the process of installing the app and setting up your detector. Inside the packaging, you'll find the detector, quick start guide, user guide, and 2 AA batteries. When you're ready to begin, start by downloading the Kidde app to your phone. You can find it in the App Store by searching Kidde, or scan the QR code in Step 1 of the Quick Start Guide. Once the app is installed, open the app. Create a new account if needed, or log in to your existing Kidde account. You can create an account by entering your first name, last name, email, and password. Then go to your email to verify your Kidde app account. Be sure to check your email spam folder. If you don't get an email, go back to the Kidde app screen and select Click Here to resend, and a new email will be sent to your account. Before installing batteries and powering up the device, make sure that the app is set up to connect to the new device. Tap Add a device in the app and select Water Leak and Freeze Detector. The in-app steps will now guide you through setting up your safety device. Connect your device to the app by scanning the QR code shown in Step 3 of the Quick Start Guide, or on the back of your safety device. QR scan successful will show on the app screen. Refer to the user guide for more details on installation. It's now time to power on your device. Using a screwdriver, open the battery compartment and install 2 AA batteries, which are included in the box with your detector. Note the polarity markings and replace the cover once the batteries are installed. You don't need to press anything to power on the detector. A sound will beep, and after 10 to 15 seconds, the user will see a flashing red LED light on the front of the detector. This signals that the device is ready for pairing with the app. Your device is now ready to connect to your Wi-Fi network. You must proceed in the app and connect to Wi-Fi within 5 minutes. If you do not connect your detector to Wi-Fi in the app within 5 minutes, it's simple to reset the device. Just click Reset the device on your app screen and follow the in-app instructions. To connect to Wi-Fi, select your home's Wi-Fi network from the list. Please make sure your home Wi-Fi is a 2.4 GHz band network. You can do this by checking your router user guide or router settings. Tap the in-app push notification to join a network if prompted. Next, enter your Wi-Fi network password and then name your device. Here's a tip. Include your device's location in the name, so it's easy to identify in an emergency. You can change the name later if you want. Now, select a type of room from the drop-down menu list. The Kidde app also allows you to manage Kidde smart alarms, detectors, and devices at multiple property locations. Select which property to add your detector to, or create a new property and name your dwelling. You have successfully added and connected your safety device. Place your water leak detector in an area of your home that is at risk for leaks or freezes, such as under sinks and toilets, in basements and crawl spaces, or around pipes. Now you can begin experiencing the detector's features using the app. To see the status of all Kidde smart devices in your home, you can tap the dashboard icon in the app at any time. You can also use the app to get notifications when there is a low battery alert, or when temperature is approaching freezing in your home. Instructions in the app will also guide you through changes like resetting detectors if you're moving, changing your Wi-Fi network, and more. We hope you found this video helpful in setting up your new Kidde Water Leak and Freeze Detector with smart features. Stay connected with us to learn more about new products, features, and all the ways we can help you manage your home safety systems with confidence.